Hello.
Hello.
Anna Mbadama.
Ada neighbor na ndege.
Anna Bai.
Oju Ghana, what is it?
Anna Bai.
Google one.
Anna Bai.
Mary
Anna Bai.
Professor Ndembo na ndege.
Anna Bai.
Doctor Professor Dakuli Kuli.
Anna Bai.
Honorable Adam Badume.
Anna Bai.
Hey, that is Abakuda, again, the data. I'm this latest one get a hand because take a while and sometimes I have a baby I went by my thank you Lasuba. I remember like Lasuba and my baby profile.
All right, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. We're back again in a new video reaction. Let's hear from Obieze, PA of Lasuba, Lasuba's PA. Let us hear from him.
Asala no Dionya Sudan.
Obieta.
Abadibu
Obieta. Obieta.
All the TV, the TV can play with the under the caption here, but
Kai TV or Kennedy. Why is such I thought you said that they send to you my you don't care, you don't watch, right? Even Obieze. Obieze, you know that our platform is for everybody. Are you not Biafran? Why is it that we are not following our link? And as the my tinkom kwesịrị na nna ajụwa ndị ọzọ. Okay, ọ kakwa mma otu isi wee mara ebe ị na-aga ebe ibi agacha. Let's continue. PA Lasuba, let's hear from you. Okay, olu na nke gị na abụla ebe dibịara mmadụ ka ị gara. But I thought you said that COS is a Fulani woman. Again, I don't know. You guys cooked up stories that she married this and married that. So now, the mother. Ọ na-otekwa evidence yo okwewe n'ilu na mana nkunu ka na-akọ na ajọ mbene kịta now you know that na-ebe dibịara mmadụ ka ọ ga-anụ so it doesn't matter anywhere husband comes from you get married, isn't it? But you don't remember that when it has to do with another person. That is not from my platform. You can never hear this what you said and from my platform. So maybe you are also in another people's platform as well. I have not said that the end of the 20, more 20, no. Oh, yes, not Mama Dochu. This Obieze. Is it your name or your nickname? I would like to know because Kamara this he died worker he basata Ezel. I will not lie to you. That power give what I at all.
Because African charity will never start. This is CRC. Chairman CRC, Madam Chairman CRC. BGC, Biafra Governing Council, you chairman. Okay, Chomo Koma, we have the chairman.
I think.
There's any whole name why? Because near the time on a life problem.
Okay.
How can I which go lie?
I have some very happy to ask now they will take care of it. Now,
Why allow one in through the
indirectly, the information minister, if you use
Keta always all working I was over girl.
EGC,
Okay.
instead of Brigi, because automatically Brigi, okay,
Olajia.
When I have Mama Damu, when I have Prime Minister Simon Eta, when I have 3 ladies, then I did, when I say something higher, with the arm of the citizen that Brigi. So, Keso Yana on this get a case in Biafra, Yana, for the Kesi Yana, what are we doing? The President of Nigeria and the world is speaking upon our back view.
Yes.
Why is it for no? I'll just say what I'll say yes. Olajigi.
We go do 4-7. All of them are the same. All of them are the same.
Yes.
Why is it that this man's brain only work on negative things? That's the only time this will be as a brain and active. But when anything that has to do with negative argument, like you don't feel no one will go to 7, but all of them are the same. That means that all of them are the same. But ordinary question that you throw to this woman, she couldn't even answer that, and you okay with it? Okay, Queen.
But all of them are the same.
Why kind of what is about all loud? Oh man, onye na-akọ bụ ya Jembenisha. Ọkwe na-afị ụla na-eme nwanne gị nwaanyị. Ọla ọcha kịta anya na-echi. Ngazara Bogora Fulani! Ngazara Bogora Commander in Chief of the
corporate business here. Automatically, last year and free here, already this year.
Satu kampung.
Personal property, okay, get it. On your business concern. Until everything maybe have a cover rubbish. People have they use line directly. CRC with government. See how can CRC be government? Conflict resolution committee. Resolution committee.
Why you na-agwa and this year so na ekwesa ka ifu na obi esa na brain again na roll one side, like you don't think, you don't reason. I'm not insulting you, I don't know you, but the truth is that you don't, the way you reason sometimes is questionable. And then man kept the oh ya get you actually ya man kept na iga no go ka na continue ochi higher na ka gị buzz. So you are talking about CRC, that why Ocha and Ndotu celebrated. The effect of why Ocha from it now simply because they gathered Lieutenant Abbas and then Jelaka. According to them, but not me. Kinever na call you none.
That committee. And this CRC will have committee. All this problem I don't make it up. Because
why on one and all those go off? A very soon water go we are.
This idea FDM. All this CRC.
Okay, now watch. Okay.
So why should somebody of the last CRC government? How should the CRC be government? What government?
Oh, when gonna wanna get like this. Oh, to we if you can buy finalize. Oh yeah, finalize and now buy. Man, only Kenya does one side.
Government in next side. CRC committee, and that committee under the cabinet. CRC can never be a government.
You can't
just deceive everybody at the same time. Same time. CRC is a committee.
Or check or on the follow up.
See, different Biafra Governing Council is not here. Or we government come, all kind of wonder Biafra government in next side.
Obi eze na-abakwa ọbụrụ dagbe ebie gị na ekọ ihe n'ọnụ pụta brachi hapụ ife na-akọ ịma na iche ekwe nke igbazi ga-adọ iru gị. Yes na ị ga-adọ iru gị na because Blaze na asa sef address on one ya. Na because ị ga-ekwunu ka o so dị na mana because the bank from if
all people, both my CRTO, my BRGIO, my everybody was under the Biafra governing council. We see the general umbrella to control everybody on. But still, we have the main government of Biafra government in exile, with the overall body. How the law can get a hijack there? Nobody talking. The president, every CRC with the government, come to CRC. If you don't belong to you, what is CRC?
so now I go to Ogenkere na Imawo Ife. Since Ogenkere both the CRC and Ogenkere, you guys are just trying to claim what is not, just to focus on what is not existing, what is not real. Now, so I hear, what do you expect? You keep on, you explain, tire. Now you go tire, keep as well. You get what? Anyway, I don't think I'm gonna continue to listen to this guy because he's happening nonsense.
Every register, you have the registration of CRC. Every register of CRC, they have the registration here. CRC with registration. But whenever they incorporate in any part of the world, I think they have register CRC as a government. They should not be joking with our brain. They should stop. They should not know that
immediately you ignore this truth. That is when that joking with your brain started. Until you reconnect, that is it. Without it, you are still struggling.
government here. Government I must get a homeland. Only on government, we are Javana headquarters they do bed. Maybe Biafra capital they do bed. We get back in this government. All this why that is only over them to why and get that. The bias will let the make you with a man. How many times something happened to you before you understand?
On our coin file, man, no, yeah, WhatsApp, no, yeah, the person. I'm come on the screen. If you're in a cook. Anyway, please, I just want to share this with you because obviously you claim that I am the one you don't know about Lasuba or you come to Kai reports. You guys always say Kai TV though. You come to my platform, then you saw this name Lasuba. Anyway, I believe she have explained it to you. And as a man, I was expecting you to throw more question on that. Okay, truly you married to Sudanese man. So your children are Sudanese, meaning half Fulani, half. Yes, you don't ask that. You do not. As we say, you don't remember to ask that such question. Maybe next guy called guy name. Anyway, my people, please like if you think what to think about it. Thank you so much. I just want to share it. It's quite funny, but just tell me what to think about it. Bye bye for now.